All right, so there are a lot of things that seem like staples, so much that we take having them for granted. A comfortable place to sleep being one of them. But that's all my guest now wished for Christmas. Brittany Allen is with me. And Brittany wished a mattress for her mom. And in the letter she says, we're sleeping on one which caught fire years ago. And I'm so sad because the mattress she's sleeping on is joking her at times. So I said, where's your mom? She said she's too lazy and late. So Brittany is here. Morning, Brittany.
Morning.
First time you're writing in.
Right.
Yeah, but you knew about this program.
Years ago.
Years ago. Surprised that you got the call? Yeah?
Yes.
So
So surprised. I was at work and got the call just in time on my lunch break.
Yeah. And Sim asked a question earlier because where you work, you lost a colleague. So
Right.
we're sorry for that, but this should make you happy.
Okay.
The gentleman who will make this presentation, and I don't want to be unfair to anyone, but could be the only person who has donated every single year since we started. When I said I don't want to be unfair, because there just might be someone else who has made donations right through. So if I hear me say that, don't give me a hard time. But he's the Chief Executive Officer of Boss Furniture. He's Omar Azan, and with him a couple of his sons, a little elf-looking son who will lift the mattress for us, the youngest one. So if you guys will come in and make the presentation. There's Santa Claus right here. And he will lift. Where's the mattress? So Omar will make the
So,
presentation.
Brittany, thank you, and wish you and your family all the very best, and happy we'll be able to be a part of it.
Right. Same to
Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you.
Omar, come across a little bit. Why do you do this? 'Cause you've been doing it from day one.
This
Why?
is what this is part of what Christmas is all about. It's not about what you can get, but what we can help and give, and that's where we get the good feeling in our heart doing things like this. And because of Jamaica's support to us as a company, Boss, we're able to offer our helping hand to others. We help with the Suzanne show. Anytime people write, we try and do whatever we can in terms of the affordability. We can, because a bed is an expensive item and a big item to give, but we try our best to do our best whenever we can.
So bed, what else?
And it's such a pleasure.
What else Boss Furniture sells?
So we do sofas, we do bedding, we supply the hospitals, we supply the hotels, we supply the local furniture industry. And the majority of Jamaicans in this country probably sleeping on a Boss bed. In the Caribbean, probably sleeping on a Boss product.
Yeah.
And we're just happy to be a part of it. God has blessed us, so we want to be able to bless others in wherever we can.
Where is your business?
It's on Church Street, 112C Church Street, Kingston, Jamaica. And all our products are displayed in like the Court stores and other furniture retailers around.
Introduce your sons for us.
This is my son Jace and Josh. And this is the
Jason and
upcoming
Josh.
CEO. He got up earlier than me to come down because he was excited to come and meet you guys down
Yeah,
there.
but Jason
and
not
to be
little
a
weak.
part.
Jason weak because he wouldn't lift up the mattress. Thank you so much.
No, man, my
And
pleasure.
God bless you and the
God
family.
bless
Say,
you.
Thanks.
say hi
Thank
to your
you.
mom for us. Speaking of blessing our folks, Simone is also here with some folks.
I think what Mr. Zan is doing is amazing, and the fact that he's brought his kids shows you that he's, big on philanthropy, and he's trying to spread that through his family. We have another group of folks here. Shanilia Dixon, 12-year-old young lady, has brought Grandpa Alex with her. You wrote into us, Shanilia. Tell us a little bit about why you wrote in and what you asked for.
So actually, seeing the condition in which my grandfather was in, I decided that I wanted to make a change in his life, and I wanted him to be in a better situation. This is why I wrote for the mattress and the bed for him to sleep on, because the one he was on, it was not in such a good condition.
Yeah. And you want Grandpa to be comfortable.
Yes.
Did you know she wrote in, Grandpa?
No.
You didn't know?
Not at
When
all.
did you
It's
find
a big
out?
surprise when I get a call. Someone asked if I could speak to Shanila. And I said, Shan is supposed to be at school. So it surprised me because it was school hours.
Yes.
But the person I would like to talk to,
I wanted to talk to her to tell her that her wish had come true.
Right.
So Grandpa, she'll look out for you,
Yeah,
pulling
man.
strings behind the scenes when you don't know. How does that make you feel? What kind of relationship do you guys have?
Well, those close.
Yeah.
Yes, and trying all my best to make her comfortable. But
Yeah.
you know, as an elder, I like to see your grandchildren them come up and God answer prayer that she can do something for me.
Can you imagine? You must feel
And
so proud.
yes, and it's 4 of them.
Yeah.
And we try so hard with them. I really love God now.
Yeah.
And out of nothing I try with the mother. But you know, struggling and but thanks be to God. God answer prayer through her.
How you feel, Mommy? How you feel?
Good.
Happy?
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Zan, can you go? Before I start the fact, because I feel them coming.
Because you've been such a blessing to her, God has blessed you back.
Right.
And we present from our company a new bed for you to sleep on because of your granddaughter. We're just happy to be a part of it and a blessing to you. Thank you. Merry Christmas. See here.
Yes,
God bless you.
and
Bless you.
God bless and keep the
too.
whole family.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Jason Josh, want to shake hands with Grandpa
Shake hands.
Alex?
Shake hands.
Thank
Nice.
you. Junior, see you. We have far way to go.
Coming up.
Thanks.
Wow, thank you so much.
Yeah, well, God bless you.
Yeah, man,
Thank
you know,
so
you
much.
know,
Yes.
Southern,
And-
we have a grandson named Omar and one Josh.
What? That's
It's a
right.
coincidence.
What?
Ordained.
Blessing.
Yeah, man,
Ordained.
God bless you,
Yeah,
man.
man,
Ordained.
and TVJ is a blessing to so
Yeah.
many for so many years. I think you should continue doing it.
Yes,
And we should get
absolutely.
more involved, you know.
Absolutely. We wish you, Mr. Zan, all the best.
Thank
and
you.
hope you get it back tenfold.
And to you and your team and Neville and
And
everybody
so
here, just a
continue to keep
blessing.
us
I know it takes a lot to put it
It
together.
does.
Laughing on the morning.
We will try our best. Thank you very much.
And the
Good
big
job,
boss.
lady. High five. High
Sabel,
five.
Bala.
Well done. No matter. Thank you very much.
Thank you all, yeah.
Mr. Zan, or should we say Omar Zan, Jace, and Joshua, Zan family. Thank you. Thank you, Shanita. And thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you
Wish you
again.
guys a happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
Merry
whatever it is you
Christmas,
celebrate.
Jamaica.
All right. We're going to take a break. Can we? Because makeup is going to have to come in here. Soon come back.